Welcome back to Fluent Minds. Here's another English story for level A1. Emma and Lucas are visiting a new city for the weekend. They have a list of tourist activities they want to do.
Let's start with a boat tour. The river looks beautiful.
Lucas checks the map.
The boat dock is near the museum. Do you want to visit the museum first?
No, let's take the boat tour first. We can go to the museum later.
They buy their tickets and get on the boat. The guide explains the city's history.
This bridge is over 200 years old, and on your left you can see the famous market.
After the tour, Emma and Lucas feel hungry. They find a restaurant and sit at a table. A waiter comes over.
Hello, what would you like to order?
I'll have a salad and a glass of water, please.
I'd like a sandwich and an orange juice.
Great choice. I'll bring your food in a few minutes.
While they wait, they look at their map again. They realize they can go to the museum, and then they can walk through the market.
That sounds perfect. I love exploring new places. Hi, I'm Emma from today's story. My advice is, listen first without reading the subtitles, then read along with the subtitles to reinforce learning. Third, repeat aloud, and last, leave a comment. What is your favorite city to visit? Write a sentence in English. We'll be replying.
Check our playlist for level A1. See you soon.